collaging, and some of the images are okay for tags or journals, or tags or journaling cards. Some of the wording is really nice, like, you know, the actor. You might be able to use that somewhere. But anyhow, I love her book sales. I love her napkin sales. Look at this, and I'm going to do a Western style, a New Mexico style, ranch style journal here soon. And then this is positive thinking, and it's like she says, I don't know if you can tell, but this got really like a homemade paper texture to it. And so look at this. This is like homemade paper. Now, kind of ashamed to tear it up, but that's exactly what I'm going to be doing, is using it for another journal. So now then, back to Deb's things. Oh, and I did get, this is what I had ordered from her before, and it's like it's almost like a rice paper, tissue type paper. But right now I'm doing a lot of journals for the domestic violence shelter here in my town. So a lot of that I'll be donating, not a lot of, but some of it I will be donating on tags and stuff for them to make. Okay, so I bought all of this wonderful stuff from Deb, and her, I think her last name, well, you just have to go on and find her. But look at this cluster. Is that not the most beautiful cluster? Look at all of this. This is just so amazing. So I got that. And then I got, I'm saving the best for last, this big old batch of it. These I've been dying to open. These are altered paper clips with this, I want to say a snippet, but it's really, well, yeah, I guess you'd call it a snippet with a cluster on top. So I want to open this up and get into those paper clips I've been dying to look at. And I've had this package for a few days, but I got to tell you, I've just not been myself. I'm not feeling well. Look at this. Isn't these beautiful? Now, these are something I'm getting ready to mass make myself. So she did these, and I just think they are beautiful. There's two, and then here's the third one. Those are beautiful. So those will go into a journal. And then this will go into a journal. I just got to get the staples out. I do have to get those staples out. Not sure how I was supposed to have done that, but yeah. I think I'll just leave it like that for now and then go back and sew it later. Just run a seam down there. But that is beautiful as well. Then there was this cluster. The clusters she makes are just insanely beautiful. Isn't that pretty? That is just gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Then here is a large cluster. And I have to show you, not Deb related, but hang on. I want to show you where that's going. So I have this fabric that is going to be a journal. And I think, yeah, it will go this way. The journal itself will go this direction. And then this cluster will be going on there somewhere. I'm just not sure where. But as soon as I saw this, I was like, I know exactly where that's going. So it will be on this journal. And this I got from Ink Pulp as well. I'm pretty sure either Ink Pulp or the secondhand store. Now I don't remember. but one of the two. And then was this snippet. And hers, I just love the key. Her snippets are just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then here's a beautiful cluster. And look at this. When I first got these, I just kept going over and over and over the detail. The rusted safety pin. And then, can y'all, if y'all can't tell, I absolutely love her stuff. Look at this. Look at that. That is just beautiful. And then, I'm getting ready to make a paisley journal. Just paisley journal. And this will go in it. I saw that and I was like, I have to have it. And I'm thinking of, I don't know, I'll probably put this on the front page. On the cover, I mean. So I have that. And then, there's like some absolutely beautiful things. And this was also a favorite. Look at this. The rusted safety pin. I had not seen rusted safety pins until now. So I definitely want to do that at some point. Let me get rid of that white. The camera does not like white. So that will be fun. So what I think I'll do, put this back there. Kind of keep all of that from. So on this, she stamped this, and I would love to know where she got this. Look at that. And this is connected to the lace. I would definitely love to know where she got that. And this will be put on the edge of my pages. And like I said, I love it in the center. I don't know if you can see, but it's a wooden spool. And I love that. And then came the bag. She was selling these bags with lace and stuff attached. Now, I have to confess, Deb, I already used a piece of this. I couldn't resist, and it is attached by another rusted safety pin. And so this, I'm not sure, see, you can tell I used somewhere, oh, right here. I had cut a piece and used it in a journal already. Couldn't wait. So then she's just got all of these pieces of doily, and I mean, this by itself could be a cluster. And I have to ask you guys who tear apart the doilies, do you worry about them fraying? And if you do, what do you suggest? Because I was going to go along, I have fray check, and I was just going to go along and dot them with some fray check, but I didn't know if that was ideal or not. Okay, so then we have the drawstring bag, which is also, I mean, it's journal worthy to make a small journal and put in there. And then there's this pocket on the front. And then there's all this yummy goodness inside. And I do mean yummy goodness. Look at that. So this will definitely be a small journal. Look at that. Yeah, this might even be a, you know, just a small, I don't know. Or the front. I don't know, but this is just absolutely beautiful. Then comes the doilies. And to be honest with you, I don't remember if she sold this as a bundle. I just don't remember, but even this is good for, not binding, but closures. So there's this. Look at this. This is so beautiful. So there's a lot of it. Looks like a yard. Yeah, I would say a yard. And then look. So pretty. Beautiful. Look at this. I have found a gold mine here. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? This could make a nice closure if the journal was small enough, you see? Lots and lots and lots of things to do in here, and this she coffee dyed for me. Look at that. Beautiful. And then this, I tell you, just touching it is fun. And this lace. Look at that with the flower pattern. Absolutely beautiful. And this I really, really like. Look at this. This is kind of a creamy, almost yellow. Wow. And then coffee dyed paper, coffee dyed, feels like a sheet or a pillowcase. Wonderful. Because I'm not feeling good today, I think that I'm going to work on just cutting out ephemera from the comfort of my bed. I have an infection in a tooth, guys, that is killing me. And I've got to go and get a root canal. Isn't that beautiful? Not to hit you with horrible, horrible news, but I got to go get a root canal followed by a crown. And I need 2 crowns. 1 root canal and 2 crowns. So there goes my crafting money for a year. But anyhow, due to the infection, I'm getting serious headaches. So I'm going to just go take it easy. But it's raining here, so I want to enjoy my rainy, quiet Sunday somehow. So thank you, Deb. I appreciate you and all your wonderful goodness. Look at this. I mean, this has helped me immensely to be able to finish up and work on my journals. Okay. With that being said, guys, I want to thank all of my new subscribers. I'm climbing up there, and I can't do that without your help. So I definitely appreciate you, and I hope that you'll stick around for more of my videos. Have a great rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.